I did a video yesterday about Rachel and the contract killer Django, and the response was pretty okay, but you have a lot of people who is out there, and I am trying to think how these people justify the death of Sheron and his brother and his friends and family, but yet still they don't suspect Rachel. I have one particular person who links me in WhatsApp, and this dude, I guess he doesn't like the way I vlog on Trinidad, and he doesn't like certain things. But what am I supposed to do? I am getting factual information. Now, I can't vet every information 100%. You understand? But you best believe it's over 80%. And the people them that I link, they're on the ground in Trinidad. And a lot of them was afraid of Django because he was a paid hitman, and this was his job. As for Rachel, now if anybody come and tell me she's not a suspect, like the little pussy where text me and I start me, yo, me have a stroll, what do you call them, troll? Me have a troll in a WhatsApp who's trolling me have to tell him go suck your mother, pussy. You can't stop me from fucking do my vlog and how me feel. And me I get me information, boy I call me fool. But now, like me talk about this earlier in the video right here, so look at how them kill her husband, him brother, and the only common denominator factor is her. She should have been in jail. You understand? Obviously, the police them drop the ball upon that one, yeah. Because like me say, she have money. You understand? And she can link the police them, she can link Django, link this, link that. That girl have money. So, there is no way she wouldn't be the first suspect. And that's real in any investigation. So the finger still points to her. Nobody else but her. And that's my opinion. Now I noticed something about the people them who watch my vlogs from Trinidad. Like a lot of them. It's now we're talking about a hitman who kill a lot of people, who do all sort of things. And people, they're more worried about a Jamaican talking about somebody from their country, instead of them saying, well, good work countryman, stay on top of it, try and fight crime. And to be honest, you have a lot of people support me, but at the same time you have a lot of negative comments, and I am scratching my head, because people come and say, well, stay out of Trinidad business, they threaten me, people threaten my life, do all sort of things, trying to scare me into back down and start doing the vlogs, and sometimes it makes me nervous because I'm a human being. But one thing I am not afraid. So I am going to keep on doing my thing and put it out there. Now, with that said, I was hearing something yesterday about the some Jamaicans living in Trinidad. Now, from what I am hearing, and this is just a preview, me I tell you now when I will talk about in the future. You have a lot of Jamaicans down there who went to Trinidad for a better life because there is opportunity in Trinidad. There is lots of jobs, lots of things going on more than Jamaica. Cause I have a friend down there and he's a skilled man, and he was able to move to Trinidad and step up in his trade and everything and doing what's right. But you do have some Jamaicans down there who is repping for the 6 gang, and you have some Jamaicans who's repping for the 7 gangs. And when I hear that, I was so saddened and disappointed that Jamaica would leave Jamaica and go to Trinidad and get involved in these crazy numbers war. I was told that there is a certain famous person who got family member in Trinidad, and I'm gonna talk more about that in a separate video. Repping the 6 and 7, there's Jamaicans down there driving around with gun every day in a car, dog. I look people for rob and all them thing that I work with the fucking gang them, and that shit right there was very alarming and surprising to me. With that said, you know, I don't want to come across as a hater or anything like that. Like, I'm not hate Rachel, I don't even know this lady. But all I'm saying is, until she is heavily vetted and investigated by the police, it's still gonna leave a stain. And there is more to come on this story, and the Jamaican them who are hang out with the 6 and the 7 them down in Trinidad. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe and click on another video. I'm out.